Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy gummies. Start by gathering your essential ingredients for delicious and healthy gummies. You'll need about 1 cup of 100% fruit juice, 4 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, and a natural sweetener like 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. These simple components form the foundation of your homemade treats, ensuring they are both tasty and nutritious. This approach allows you to control exactly what goes into your snacks. Next, pour your chosen fruit juice into a small saucepan. Sprinkle the 4 tablespoons of gelatin evenly over the cold juice and let it sit for about 5 minutes to bloom. Then, gently heat the mixture over low heat, continuously whisking until the gelatin completely dissolves. It's crucial not to let it boil, as this can degrade the gelatin's properties and the juice's nutrients. Now it's time to sweeten and flavor your gummy mixture. Stir in your chosen natural sweetener, such as 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup, adjusting to your taste preference. For an extra kick, you can add a half teaspoon of vanilla extract or a pinch of citrus zest. Mix everything thoroughly to ensure an even distribution of flavor throughout your healthy gummy base. Finally, carefully pour the warm gummy liquid into your silicone molds. Small molds work best for bite-sized treats. Place the molds in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or until the gummies are completely firm. Once set, gently pop them out of the molds. Store your delicious, healthy homemade gummies in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.